Hello everyone. We have a perfume to talk about today. This perfume is for women, especially. Like the perception can be different, but the company branding this is for the women. Lattafa Yara perfume, and Lattafa is getting popular gradually. This perfume company, and they have also another good perfumes which is called Lattafa Asad, and this one was for the male, though the bottle design is almost same like Lattafa Yara and Lattafa Asad. They have same bottle design, but Lattafa Asad is in black color and maybe this one is in pink color. Let me unpack the packet first. So here you can see there is a very like 3D hologram of the company Lattafa. There is a texture packaging, and this perfume is not too much expensive. Like for 100 ml maybe you need to pay 200 to 220 Danish krone. Then you can convert the currency to your local, and it's let us check how I will smell this perfume on a woman. So you can see the bottle is almost the same like Lattafa Asad. Lattafa Asad has the same bottle but in black color. I can show you a Lattafa Asad which I have. Just a second. Here it is, Lattafa Asad. I cannot, unfortunately cannot find the cap. So if I unpack this one, you can see now they both are same, one for boy, one for girl. So when you are a couple, you are purchasing both of them together. Maybe this is their idea. Lattafa Asad and Lattafa Yara. I want to know what does mean Asad and Yara. It would be great if Asad means boyfriend, Yara means girlfriend. So let's see. Now if I want to spray this one for the first time, it should have some female perfume in it. I can smell. Yes, this is good. And this is totally for women. No unisex, no option. There is no option. Unisex is not in the list for this perfume. So you can smell first of all you are smelling lot of sweet, like you are eating a cake with pound of sugar on it. You definitely feel powdery. You definitely feel powdery. You feel sweet. In some point you are like having a very good vanilla ice cream with you. You feel tropical, you feel fruity, also you feel citrus. So if you want to enjoy it all, if you want sweet, you want vanilla, you want powdery, then this perfume is for you. This is good. I like it on a girl. Yeah. My rating will be 4 out of 5. Okay, made in UAE. Yes, here it is, United Arab Emirates. So Dubai is taking over the perfume industry. I'm in big doubt. So Lattafa Yara, thank you so much. If you have any thoughts, let me know in the comment. And if I check the rating of this perfume and Fragrantica, it has around 4.8 rating out of 5,000 votes. So thank you so much. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.